My father killed himself from a heroin overdose when I was 4.
I got kicked out of home when I was 16. Drinking along with Dad. I hate him. When I was younger, he used to bash Mum and us kids up.
I just wish I had like a mum who was there for me all the time.
You share one of your dreams, what it would be like to live in a happy household?
Just have good meals every night, nice house, good backyard, muck around in the backyard with all my mates playing footy, come home and have lots of cuddles with my mum, my dad, and my sisters, but it's never there.
It's helped me realise that even though I have grown up in not the best home environment, that I can make something of myself and I can use my disadvantages as my advantages.
Before this camp, these kids had forgotten what it feels like to be touched, to be held, to be loved. Now they leave here with faith, trust and self-esteem.
I love the hugs. I do. I like hugs.
If I didn't go Youth Insearch, I don't know where I would be today.
It's about empowerment. It's about young people being able to take responsibility for their lives.
The people here just help me out so much. Realise that there's other people out there in the world just like me.
Yes, it's a fantastic organisation that does make a difference to the lives of a lot of young Australians. Now, I strongly urge you to support their really important work in any way you can. It's been said many times, but our children are our future.